Hey everyone, I'm gonna change this hair to this one. Trust me, all you need to know few simple steps. Let's go to the video. First of all, we need to mark her hair. For this, I choose easiest way. Select quick selection tool and mark her hair. First double for shortcut and don't worry, you do not need to be careful. You can deselect anything that by pressing Alt key, or you can select from subtract selection from top right. Now we need to refine image. Click on select and mask. Now we need to select view mode, and I have already selected red color. You can select it from here and change to any color. Normally I prefer red color than others. And also you can change capacity down below. Now select refine edge brush tool to select outer hair. It will automatically detect hair color and select area. In here also you can deselect anything by pressing Alt key or select from top. Size of brush can be changed by pressing brackets. I think that's fine. Then click on OK and make sure output settings on the selection. I have selected something on her clothes. I'll share it. Right. Now click on new adjustment layer and select your color. Here we go. Now we can change our color. If this video helped you, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.